The market is currently trading between the weekly POC and the daily POC, and price is consolidating within this range. According to our magical footprint indicator, we are seeing continuous negative accumulation, and towards the end of the session, around 3 p.m., there was a clear increase in negative volume. So, for the next day, we can expect an initial downside move, likely continuing until around 10 a.m. After that, the direction will depend on institutional activity, because institutions are the ones who actually decide where the market moves. As the new trading day begins, fresh levels will be formed. These levels, especially on Monday, will become our key reference points for both trade planning and targets. Now, in the beginning, the market may show weakness. After the first candle, price may move downward, possibly testing or breaking POC levels or compression support zones. But near the daily POC, we may see rejection signals, especially in low volume areas. This is where many traders get trapped, particularly those trading simple first candle breakout setups. After this trap, the real move begins. Remember this clearly: the market doesn't decide direction, institutions do. Once price reaches a strong support zone, we need to wait patiently. Most institutional activity happens around the Algo MRP level, which represents their fair value zone. But institutions don't enter all at once. They build positions in multiple steps. So, what do we wait for? A strong support formation, a clean retest of the Algo MRP level, and clear market reaction. When this happens, it indicates that institutions are adding positions and the market is responding. Now we can plan the trade. Our first target will be the compression resistance level. Alternatively, we can aim for the weekly POC. If price breaks this resistance, then we can expect a continued move to the upside. One important point to remember: our trend table shows buying strength, but the footprint still shows negative accumulation. So don't make quick decisions based on a single signal. Always wait for confirmation. Once the market reaches your target zone, you can either book profits or trail the position based on the next levels. Final learning: trading is not about guessing. It's about planning, waiting, confirming, and executing with discipline. And always remember, institutions are behind every major market move. This is for educational purposes only, not a trading recommendation.